Now, this separates the sheep from the goats, so to speak. If you're a homeowner, you can go through this and turn off all the switches, turn them on one at a time, okay? If they're not marked, you're welcome to go ahead like this is. These are all marked. So big kudos to the electrician that installed this. You see all the breakers are labeled. That's what I would suggest having done. So have another person in the room or in the home. You turn off everything, you turn one switch, they yell out what it is, you mark it and you label it there as well. If you are a home improvement professional, I would not mess with any of the electricity at all. That's for an electrician to do or the homeowner to do. So we're not going to touch it.